Kelsey, where are you going? Where's Mama Rosie at? Kelsey, come back. Kelsey, come back. Let me see your purse, Pumpkin. Where are you going? Goodness. Are you leaving? Are you going to leave? Come here. Come on. Let's go see Mama Rosie. Tell her to read your Chick book. You want to read the book? Huh? Come on, let's go see it. Come over here. Come on. Come on. There's a doggy. Kelsey, you ready to go bye-bye? Kelsey, you want to go bye-bye? You want to go to Wally World? You go to Wally World, get your new toy to put in your purse? Huh? Come on, let's go. Let's go, bye-bye. You got your purse? Come on. Come on. Bye. Bye-bye. You ready?